everyone, I am Devansh Patel.
Hello Devansh. Today what we will learn?
We will learn singular and plural.
What is singular, Devansh?
Singular means one thing. Plural means more than one thing.
Okay. So give me the example of singular.
Like car.
Okay. So what will we add in car? Which letter?
Car. Cars.
Okay. Only S.
Yeah.
Okay. So normally we will use only S.
Yes.
Okay.
Like we can use like ES.
Oh, when?
When like I write church.
Okay.
And church, churches.
Okay. So when the any word finish with the letter CH, we will use ES, right?
Yes.
In the
like
plural.
SH, like sure, like sure, bush, bush,
Okay.
plural, bushes.
Okay. So let me know how many letters we will use ES.
Like mangoes. And ox. Oxes.
Okay. So let me know the letters in which we will use ES.
Okay.
Sh,
Ch,
ch,
double S,
S,
double S,
double S,
O,
O.
and X.
Okay. In these cases, we will use ES in plural, right?
Yeah. See?
Okay. Okay. And let me know about the words finish with Y. What we will use?
Once again.
Okay, Devansh.
What are you saying?
Y. If the word finish with Y, like fly.
Fly. F-L. Fly.
Then what will be the plural?
Flies.
Okay.
Flies.
In case of Y, we will use in plural IES.
Yes.
Okay. And in the boy, example boy, what will we use? IES.
No.
Why?
Because here is a vowel.
Okay.
O is vowel.
Before Y, if any letter which are vowel, we will use S only.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Like key, K-E-Y, key.
K-E-Y. Like this also.
Oh. Okay. Okay. And any word with end with F, then what will be the plural? Like example, wife.
Wife. Wife.
What will we use?
V-E-S.
Okay, like knife.
Knife.
Okay. So in singular, normally we use S,
Yeah.
right? But if the word finish with the letter sh, cha, x, o, double s, s, we use es.
Yeah.
And if the word finish with y, we will use ies in plural.
Yeah.
Okay. But if the letter before y is vowel,
Hmm.
we use s
S.
only.
Yeah.
Okay. And in case of f, if any word with f, then we will use ves in place of plural,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
No. Thank you. Bye bye.